Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show how to do correlation. In my previous video, I shown how to record a scenario using JMeter. So this is a continuation to my part 1 video. So once you record the flow, you need to check each and every request, whether it is belongs to our application or not. So once you find every request is belongs to our application, we need to find the dynamic values. For example, in launch page, most of the time we won't find any dynamic values. So whenever if you feel any UI elements called GIF files, JS files, anything, you can remove it if there is no requirement with that, because most of the time we concentrate on server request. So when login, I feel like these 4 requests are belongs to GIF files. So there is no impact on these GIF files. That is what I have deleted these GIF files. I'm deleting all GIF files in all the transactions and in sign off as well. Okay, there is no GIF files present. Okay, once you have recorded, you need to find. For example, I have opened this login page. In this, there is login.pl request. Here some user session is getting passed. So if you want to see whether this is a dynamic value or not, you need to recheck again. For example, whether it is a static value or dynamic value, you can check by recording twice the same scenario, or else you can check it in inspect elements, that is developer tools. Let me I clicked on developer tools, that is in F12. So let me log in. Once I click on login, I think it looks like the password is incorrect. Okay. My username Jojo and password Bean. See, I'm able to log in successfully. So here my requests are recorded. If you can see this is the same request. Login.pl. If you go to payload, there you can see, for example, first one, payload, the user session value is 133,065. Here, if you go to 132,937, something like that. So by this, you can assume that this is dynamic value. You need to correlate this kind of values. Okay, let me run the script as it is without correlation, and let me show you the difference. If you keep the same static value in your request, if you run it, your request will fail. It may not show here, but in your response body, you will get the invalid message. That is, see, you have reached this page incorrectly, probably the session value. So you need to capture where the session value is getting passed. For example, let me copy the name and parameter name and search it in your search box, and launch page somewhere you can see it is highlighted. Just keep it as text format and search in the response body. If you are unable to find with this kind of value, you need to check it in developer tools. For example, let me capture. So I do not have any. Let me clear my browser. I will show where exactly your request will. Just clear your browser. And inspect elements. Once you open the browser, try to open the page. So the requests are getting passed, and enter username Jojo Bean. Okay, once you enter, you can go to the web developers tool. In this payload, some dynamic user session is there. You can just copy this complete value and try to search. nav.pl. In this particular response, you are able to find here. It is showing in this response. See, user session, something is getting passed, right? nav.pl. If you go to your request, nav.pl, why it is not showing means I did not add it cookie manager and cache manager. That's what my transaction not showing proper response cache manager. Just add these two elements and scroll till the top, and now just run. See, still you are getting error message. That is bad user session value. Okay. So what I am doing is like I'm going to this nav.pl request, and here I'm going to text mode, and here I'm searching with user session. See here, now the value is generated. Just do the correlation. This take complete value and paste here, and just remove the value, and instead of value just keep dot star question mark. So you are able to find your value. Let me show. This is the concept of correlation. You need to find a value using this is regular expression, and wherever you are finding, this is ninth request, go to your ninth request and right click to this ninth request and post to processor, add regular expression extractor. Here I will explain each and every concept. So in the regular expression, you need to paste whatever value you captured from view result tree. Here, so any variable name. For example, I am giving some name convention, that is C underscore user session. And here we have only one dot star question mark. That's what I will give template dot $1. If we have any other dot star question marks in your regular expression, you can keep $2. So as I'm seeing only one occurrences, I'm giving one count. If you give two occurrences, if you want to capture first one or second one, you can give whatever occurrence you want. Default value not available. So I'm just copy pasting same thing here. Yeah. Now I am pasting that variable in my user session. I am now rerunning my test. See, now login.pl. I am keeping it in HTML view. See, now welcome Jojo to the web tours reservation page using the menu left. So this is, and this, let me open it in text view. Sometimes you may not find it in HTML view. So user password was correct. Added cookie with the user default information. Like that, we are getting valid response. Previously, when you are keeping it as static one, you are unable to find. That is, for example, let me keep some value like, let me keep this value. Let me keep in this value, that is previous session, and let's see whether we are getting this kind of response or not. We can check that. See here, welcome to Jojo, and everything is there in 16 valid response. Let me rerun it again. If you open and if you see, welcome to the using the left, welcome to the web tours reservation page. Don't forget to sign in, because it is not showing welcome to your user Jojo bin, and this is all invalid, and you have something like. So that is what the dynamic value comes. So you need to handle the dynamic value using correlation concept. That is, you need to capture the value some in previous responses, and you need to paste that variable in the dynamic value. So this is how correlation concept comes. So in my next video, I will explain about parameterization and how to add think times like that. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any doubts about correlation, just ping me. I'm happy to help you. Thank you.